you might catch a glimpse of a monorail. When Disneyland introduced the monorail back in 1959, it was the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere.
Paraguas rápida se te puede salir
Mine belongs is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of a car, and no license is required. If you've ever wanted to become an astronaut, then you might want to stop at Space Mountain and Star Tours, where they got some newfangled flying spaceships that'll launch you into the deepest reaches of space. And you can ride them if you got the mind and the nerve.
Mira estas vías amarillas que pasan por ahí abajo.
Tomorrowland Station.
En el 95 más o menos, Disney abre una atracción que se parece mucho a la de Cars al otro lado, de unos autos que tienen a todo rajado por acá dentro del parque, por todo este sector, y va a echar una corneta y trae una cosa y sale 3 días duro de esto. Hicieron todos los cálculos, toda la weá y esto y lo otro.
¿Se acuerdan que ya llevábamos esperando cuando dijo quedan 30 minutos?
To those joining us, welcome aboard. The next leg of our journey will take us along the rim of the Grand Canyon. It's a mighty long drop to the canyon floor. So for your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Be sure to watch your kids and no flash pictures, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de fotografías con flash.
Estas son las bizarras que hay dentro del parque, que nadie sabe por qué están. Que ataca como uno grande que tiene así y se lo come, un dinosaurio. Eso hasta el final. Acá lo volaron la raja.
We're now steaming back to our own time and to Main Street Station, gateway to Disneyland. If you'll be leaving us here, stay in your seat till we come to a full stop. And remember to gather all your personal belongings, including the young'uns if you got any, and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. Be sure you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to see us again real soon. For those of you traveling on, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station. Main Street, USA.
Please stay seated till the train makes a full complete stop. This will be your stop for Main Street, USA.
¿Te querés subir de nuevo a la Hollywood Tower?
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. Please place young children away from the vehicle openings. Please supervise your children, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
La tiene dilatadísima.
The next stop will be Disneyland Square Station.
¿Cachai la velocidad que está?
Está como moribunda.
Hello, folks. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad.
Sophie tiene un video de su gata volada. Tiene un video de su gata volada.
Mickey's Toontown,
Ponle play a ese video.
followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. We got a lot of traveling ahead of us, so remember, for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train.
Está como así como muy despacio, sí.
Sí, está lenta.
Bienvenidos a bordo de Disneyland Railroad. Tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Y la tuve todos los días.
Porque se la comió entera.
Sí.
Una buena volada.
Y le gustó y después se la comió entera.
Did you folks hear that? Sounds to me like we've reached the wilds of Adventureland, where you just might run into a lot of savage critters out there, including lions and tigers and tiki birds. Everybody best be on the lookout. You never know just what may show up. We're approaching our first stop, New Orleans Square Station. This station serves Frontierland, New Orleans Square, and Critter Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated till the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step while getting off. Have a good time in the frontier, you hear? For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans